Hello guys, you want to earn money online?
नहीं.
So start the video. I can show you how can you earn money in ChatGPT. Yes, not only just earn money in your ChatGPT using ChatGPT, just only you can use ChatGPT as a fun fact as a daily life use. Okay, so now go to ChatGPT, go to Google and search ChatGPT and press enter. You can find here ChatGPT, including this ChatGPT. Here you can find introducing ChatGPT. Click here. Once you have click here, you can redirect to this website introducing ChatGPT. There you can introduce ChatGPTs and click the try ChatGPT and pop-up window will open and go through this ChatGPT.com. Okay, and ChatGPT and now after pop-up you go to ChatGPT.com and absolutely you can log in. I have already logged in. You can see I'm logged in already, and you can log in and use ChatGPT. Okay, I can use. I can say hi to ChatGPT. This is a AI. Okay, ChatGPT is AI. You can see the simple ChatGPT. The ChatGPT talk to me. Hey, what's up? Okay, this is a AI. Okay, I can say how are you? I can say how are you? The ChatGPT saying, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Everything good on your end? You see, the AI is so good. Okay, I can save a question. Okay, I can say you a question. Okay, I can say you a question. ChatGPT told me, of course, ask me anything what's on your mind. Okay, I can little bit prove that ChatGPT is so intelligent. How can so I can prove it. The one example is 1000, 1000 minus divide 4544 plus and divide. Okay, I can here you can see they are very strong math. 1000 divide 7000 plus eto divide 44. How much? What what the answer was? What is the answer? Okay. What is the answer? Okay. You can see. Let's break it down step by step. You can see that step 1 do the division, step 2 add the two results. Then you see full of results. The final answer is approximately this is the final result. Okay, and this is the correct result. So the final result is এখন এত 1 to round differently using a specific context. Okay, you can switch differently. Okay, so this is the internet AI, and now I can say use this AI to earn money by online. Okay, and say this ChatGPT, how can I earn earn money online 2025? Press enter, and here you can see great questions, and 2027 is full of opportunity to make money online. Here are some of the top places to people are earning right